There is a quiet kind of magic in transformation. The kind that doesn't shout, but gently surprises you. At Kuki Decor, we believe that beauty often begins where attention begins. In today's story, eco-creative lighting upcycled trash turned into stylish home lamps, we invite you to step into a world where discarded objects are not the end of their journey, but the beginning of something meaningful, warm, and inspiring. Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor. Every day, countless objects are thrown away: metal scraps, broken wood, empty containers, forgotten tools, worn materials that once had purpose. Most people see waste. But creators see potential. Designers see shape. Artists see texture. And when light is introduced into that transformation, something truly special happens. A forgotten object becomes a source of glow, warmth, and character within a home. Lighting is more than function. It's emotion. It's atmosphere. It's how a space welcomes you at the end of a long day. And when that light comes from an upcycled lamp, it carries a deeper story, one of care, creativity, and conscious living. In this video, we explore how thrown-away materials are reborn as stylish home lamps. Not just as decor, but as statements. Each lamp you see here represents a shift in thinking from consumption to creation, from waste to worth. Upcycled lighting connects us back to materials in a way modern mass production often forgets. You can see the grain of old wood, still holding memories of its past. You can feel the cool strength of reused metal, shaped by time and work. You can notice the subtle imperfections, scratches, dents, uneven edges that make each piece honest and alive. These imperfections are not flaws. They are the design. In eco-creative lighting, nothing needs to be perfect. A cracked surface diffuses light in unexpected ways. A rough edge creates dramatic shadows. A reused frame casts patterns that feel organic and alive. When trash becomes treasure, perfection is replaced by personality. Imagine a lamp made from reclaimed wood standing quietly in a living room corner, its soft glow highlighting natural textures. Or an industrial-style pendant lamp created from metal scraps hanging above a dining table, grounding the space with strength and character. These lamps don't just light rooms, they shape experiences. One of the most powerful things about upcycled lamps is how they invite conversation. Guests don't just notice them, they ask about them. Where did this come from? What was it before? And suddenly, decor becomes storytelling. At Kuki Decor, we celebrate this storytelling. We believe homes should reflect values, not just trends. Sustainable lighting does exactly that. It shows respect for resources. It proves that creativity doesn't require excess. And it reminds us that design can be thoughtful without sacrificing beauty. As you continue watching, you'll see how diverse eco-creative lighting can be. Some designs feel rustic and grounded, embracing raw textures and earthy tones. Others feel bold and industrial, inspired by factories, workshops, and mechanical forms. Some lamps feel artistic and sculptural, while others are minimal and calm. What unites them is intention, the choice to create instead of discard. Upcycled lamps fit naturally into modern interiors. In minimalist homes, they add warmth and contrast. In industrial spaces, they feel authentic and strong. In cozy environments, they bring a sense of comfort and nostalgia. No matter the style, eco-creative lighting adapts beautifully because it is rooted in honesty. There is also something deeply personal about these lamps. When a lamp is made from reused materials, it often carries a sense of individuality. No two pieces are ever exactly the same. Each one is shaped by the material it started with, the hands that worked on it, and the idea behind it. This uniqueness brings soul into a space. In a fast-paced world where everything is replaceable, upcycled lighting asks us to slow down, to appreciate craftsmanship, to value what already exists, to see possibility where others see waste. If you're enjoying this journey of creative transformation, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to Kuki Decor. We share daily inspiration focused on sustainable decor, wood and metal creativity, and thoughtful design that brings warmth and meaning into modern homes. Lighting also plays a role in emotional well-being. Soft, warm light creates calm. Focused lighting encourages creativity. Ambient glow brings comfort. When these effects are combined with natural, reused materials, the result feels grounding and authentic. It's not just about how a lamp looks, it's about how it makes you feel. Eco-creative lighting encourages hands-on thinking. It invites you to look around your own environment differently. That bent metal frame. With imagination and care, these items can become functional art. You don't need luxury materials, just a willingness to experiment and see potential. Upcycling also teaches resourcefulness. Instead of buying new, we rethink what we already have. Instead of following trends, we create something personal. This mindset extends beyond decor, it becomes a lifestyle. At Kuki Decor, we believe eco-friendly design doesn't mean sacrificing style. In fact, it often results in more expressive and meaningful spaces. Upcycled lamps bring layers to interiors. They mix history with modern living. They connect the past with the present. You'll notice how light interacts differently with reused materials. Wood absorbs warmth. Metal reflects intensity. Glass diffuses glow. Each material brings its own character to the lamp. Shaping the atmosphere of the room. This interplay between light and material is what makes eco-creative lighting so captivating. These lamps are also perfect for creative spaces, studios, cafés, reading corners, and workshops. They inspire creativity simply by existing. When you surround yourself with objects that have been thoughtfully transformed, it encourages a similar mindset in daily life. As sustainability becomes more important in our world, upcycled lighting stands as a powerful example of what's possible. It shows that design can be responsible and beautiful at the same time. It proves that small choices like choosing an upcycled lamp can have a larger impact. Each lamp featured in this video carries a message: nothing is truly useless. With imagination, care, and intention, even the most overlooked objects can become something valuable. And perhaps that's the heart of eco-creative lighting. It's not just about lamps. It's about perspective. It's about learning to see potential everywhere. As we reach the final moments of this video, we hope you feel inspired not just to admire these designs, but to think differently. To look around your home, your workspace, your surroundings, and ask, thank you for spending this time with Kuki Decor. If this video inspired you, subscribe to our channel, share it with someone who loves creative and sustainable decor, and leave a comment below telling us which upcycled lamp idea spoke to you the most. Together, let's continue turning waste into beauty, and lighting our homes with creativity, purpose, and soul.